Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Present, sir.
Present.
वेदिका बोला नहीं, बोल दिया। ओके, रुद्रनील बोला। ओके, good morning, students. So in the yesterday's class, what we have learned once, in previous class, what we have learned, let us revise once. What is meant by linear equation? Linear equation is nothing but the equation which is in the form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. Ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where ABC are the real numbers and a square plus b square is not equals to 0. Then we call this as a linear equation in two variables. It is called as a linear equation in two variables. So now here ax plus by plus c is equals to 0 and a square plus b square is not equals to 0. Condition is compulsory. So then that equation is called as a linear equation in two variables. And yesterday we have discussed, means in the previous class we have discussed that what is meant by a statement and what is meant by a open sentence. Statement is nothing but a sentence which can be said either true or false is called as a statement. Either true or false. You should be able to judge it. Then only we call it as a statement. So as an example, if you see that I said that one example in the previous class that California is the capital city of the India. That is a false statement. It is a statement. Okay. So now open sentence which cannot be said either true or false. So such type of the sentences are called as such type of the sentences are called open sentences. An open sentence which contains example of the open sentences in mathematical point of view. If you see that 2 is equals to 3, if I say that it is false, you will say. So that's why it is statement. If I say that x plus 2 is equals to 3, whether it is true or false, we cannot say because we don't know the value of the x. As we don't know the value of the x, then we cannot say that it is true or false. So that's why we call this as a open sentence. We call this as a open sentence. An open sentence may contain the greater than symbol, or it may contain the less than symbol, or less than or equals to symbol, or it may contain the is equals to symbol. These are all means simply a sentence which contains the variable is called as an open sentence. Variable, if it is there, then we call it as an open sentence. Okay. So now here, this is an open sentence which contains the is equals to sign. Here is equals to sign is there. So that's why we call this as a equation. And in this is equation, this one is the equation. And in the equation, linear equation in two variables is nothing but the general form of the linear equation in two variables is ax plus by plus c is equals to 0, where a square plus b square is not equals to 0. This is called linear equation in two variables. And a pair of linear equations in two variables means a1x plus b1y plus c1, a1 square b1 square not equal to 0 is one linear equation. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equals to 0. In this, a2 square plus b2 square should not be equals to 0. Then these two are called a pair of linear equations in two variables. We call them as a pair of linear equations in two variables. And when the pair of each linear equation in two variables will be represented graphically. हम लोग ग्राफिकली कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? वी विल रिप्रेजेंट ग्राफिकली एज ए स्ट्रेट लाइन. आपको स्ट्रेट लाइन आ जाएगा. ओके, स्ट्रेट लाइन आ जाएगा. So now here if you see that this is the one straight line, this is the one straight line. So there are the three different possibilities are there for in case of the straight lines. Means straight lines case में three different possibilities are. One is they may intersect, they may parallel, they may coincide. So let us take the different conditions. What are the conditions we have learned previously? Based on these two equations given me, if a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2, then we say that the lines will intersect. These two lines will intersect. When they are intersecting, these two will have the one solution, only one solution. Okay, I will give it to you very clearly. If the two equations are given to you, condition kya hai? Condition, pair of linear equations is given, means these two are a pair of linear equations. Different possibilities what you are having, that let us write here. So condition is what here? Condition is A1 by A2 is not equals to B1 by B2. Condition. Then graphical representation, lines intersect. Lines will intersect. Number of solutions, when they are intersecting, number of solutions कितना होता है? Only one solution will be there. Okay. Then we call that type of the two pair of linear, means pair of linear equations. That pair of linear equations we call them as a, okay. So here when the solution existing, one solution is existing here. So when you take this condition, okay. So next condition is, second one is, if A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2, but which is not equals to C1 by C2. Then the lines are graphically
Parallel lines.
Yes, very good.
Parallel lines.
And when they are parallel, how many solutions will be there?
No solution.
Zero. Number of solutions are zero. Why? Because normally you think here. Okay, let me ask one simple question. For 2x plus 3y is equals to 5. Only one linear equation I have given. How many solutions are there for that?
Sir, one.
No? Infinite. Very good. Vedika is right. Very good. Infinite beta. Okay. So here infinite solutions will be there for this. Why? Because when you represent this one on a ग्राफ में रिप्रेजेंट कर लिया तो एक स्ट्रेट लाइन आ जाए. ये स्ट्रेट लाइन में कितना पॉइंट्स होता है? एवरी पॉइंट इज अ सॉल्यूशन. Every point. So for your sake, then I will take the equation in the easiest way. For the other people, I will take the x plus y is equals to 5. I am taking x plus 5. x0 takes y 5 होगा. x1 takes y 4 होगा. Means 0, 5, 1, 4, 2, 3, 3, 2, 4, 1. Not only that. Any number, you take the x as 100, then y will be the minus 95. 100 minus 95 also one solution. So like that, only one equation whenever it is given to you, linear equation, there exists infinite number of solutions. Why? Because the infinite number of points will be there on this line. So when the pair of linear equations are given, when the pair is given, pair given means two lines intersecting. Intersecting means this is the only one point which is present on both lines. एक ही point है, okay? That only one point present on both the lines. That only one point will be the solution for both. We need the solution for the both equations. So when we need the solution for the both equations, then this will become the solution for both equations. That's why when their lines are intersecting, only one solution. And if you see that lines are parallel, so if you extend it, there is no common point. दोनों में common point नहीं होता है, so solution नहीं होता है. There is no solution. So third condition is A1 by A2 is equals to B1 by B2 is equals to C1 by C2. Then the lines are
coincident line.
Coincident lines. Coincide both, you can say. Okay. So then number of solutions, infinite number of solutions will be there, because both are only both the equations are same lines, not different lines. They are not the different lines. They are the same lines. So when they are the same lines, only one equation, one line. You can consider it as a one line. So one line means, I already said on a one line there will be an infinite number of solutions. infinite number of solutions. So this is the main thing you need to remember in case of the pair of linear equations are given. Okay. So now let us go for a storage. Just for a change, means storage is nothing but how do we frame the linear equation? How do we frame the linear equation when the one situation is given to us? When one situation is given to us, how do we frame the linear equation? That we will learn here. So you need to note down this one in your notebook compulsory. Okay. So I think I am sharing the every class video in your folder. One folder I have shared to you. Are you going
Yes, sir.
through that one? In that
Yes,
folder,
sir.
everyday class video will be recorded. Video will be there, will be dropped in that. So every day I am not going to share in the Google Classroom. If you open the Google Classroom, there will be a one folder. All the videos, all the recorded videos, folder also. So if you click that one, today's class, by the evening you will get it. If you not get next day, please next class, please remind me. Sir, last time the class का मिला ना ये बोल के. Okay. And
Okay, sir.
you see that and leisurely see that and you can note down that. Note down, sir. Okay. And doubt if you get, then you can ask me anytime. Okay. So now here this is a different three situations we are having, and how do we frame the linear equations in two variables? And I am going to give you the, whenever you take the different situations, and let us take the exercise problems only. Exercise problems we are having in the first exercise, framing the linear equation. Just you need to frame the linear equation. The question is given to you, represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Represent the situation algebraically and graphically. Graphically is nothing but as the lines you need to draw. Okay, the situation is given to you that Aftab tells his father, okay, Aftab tells his father, shall I show it to you that one? Question, do you have the question with you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, all may not have, just wait for a while. I will represent the question on the board only, so that easily you can view that. If the question is visible to you, okay, I will enlarge it. Okay, is this question is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, here the question, see here, try to understand the question. Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you are then. So reading the textbook question in mathematics is very, very essential. Otherwise you cannot solve it in a proper way. Okay. So Aftab tells his daughter, 7 years ago I was 7 times as old as you are then. So I also 3 years from now. So present situation से 3 years के बाद I shall be 3 times as old as you will be. And isn't this interesting? Question interesting hai, okay? But if you see that Aftab is telling his daughter 7 years ago is nothing but 7 years pehle, okay? 7 years ago, I was 7 times as old as you are then. At that time, your age, how much it is, means what is the age of yours, and I was 7 times, means I was 7 times more than your age when it is 7 years ago. So let us consider this Aftab. Can you see this one? What I am
Yes,
writing?
sir. Yes, sir.
Huh? So present ages, man, present ages. Let us consider the present ages. Aftab ka present age. Let us consider present age of the Aftab, X years. X years, man. Okay. And here the situation is about whose? Aftab and his daughter. So let us consider the linear equation in 2 variables now. 2 variables means 2 variables we need to consider. So let us consider the Aftab age as a X years and his daughter age, present. His daughter age is Y years, let us consider. Ab, present. Okay, 7 years ago, what are their ages? Can anyone tell? 7 years pehle they will be, what is their age? What will be the, what was their ages?
Sir, x minus 7 and y minus 7.
ये प्रेजेंट आफ्tab का है, प्रेजेंट एज, दिस इज प्रेजेंट, ओके. ये 7 years ago है, दिस इज 7 years ago है, एंड इधर 3 years from now बोला है, 3 years from now. तो from now बोले तो ये पहले का, प्रेजेंट का. तो 7 years ago आफ्tab एज विल बी x minus 7, है ना. अब मेरा एज सपोज 35 मान लो, 35 मेरा एज बोले तो 7 years पहले बोले तो 35 minus 7 होगा. तो मेरा एज x बोले तो पहले 7 years ago x minus 7 होगा. Isn't it? Did you get my point? So now
Yes, sir.
here x minus 7 and his daughter age will be, sorry,
Y minus
his daughter
7.
age was y minus 7. तो 3 years from now means ये प्रेजेंट का है. अब प्रेजेंट से 3 years के बाद तो इनका एज क्या होगा? x plus 3 होगा,
X plus 3, Y plus 3.
y plus 3 होगा. समझ में आया ना? x plus 3 and y plus 3. Now if you see that situation what was given here, I was, who I is nothing but here, कौन है?
Aftab.
हाँ?
Aftab.
Who is? Aftab. Okay. Yes. तो 7 years ago ages के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं. So we talking about the 7 years before, 7 years ago. So Aftab 7 times as old as you were then. So इस दोनों में let me ask one question to you. From these two, which one will be the very bigger number?
Sir, X minus 7.
Obviously father age will be more than the daughter age. ये father age कभी भी, obviously it is father age will be more than the daughter age. So that's why if you see that x minus 7 will be more than the y minus 7, and this is 7 times than this one. That means this is x minus 7 will be equal to 7 times of y minus 7. 7 times of y minus 7. Okay? समझ में आया ना?
Yes, sir.
7 times of y minus 7. So now this is x minus 7 is equals to 7 into y minus 7. Now this simplifies. X minus 7 is equals to 7 into 7y minus 49. Take these two to the right side. X minus 7y minus 7 plus 49 is equals to 0. So x minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. This is one linear equation. ये एक linear equation है. So this is called रिप्रेजेंटिंग द सिचुएशन algebraically, वो एक स्टोरी की जैसा दे दिया है सेंटेंस, हम मैथमेटिकल फॉर्म में लेके आ रहे हैं. So now here this is what is given 3 years from now, present situation से 3 years के बाद ये है their ages. I shall be, but he will be means I shall be 3 times as old as you were. So ये इससे 3 times है. Suppose see here, as it is given 3 is multiplying like that blindly, don't remember. Here as it is given 3 times, suppose here it is given 4 times, you should multiply by the 4. The authorized should be multiplied by the 4 if it is given. So now here in this situation, if you take x plus 3 is equals to 3 times of y plus 3. X plus 3 is equals to 3 times of y plus 3. So now what do you get here? X plus 3 is equals to 3y plus 3 3 is a 9. Take this 2 terms to the left side, x minus 3y plus 3 minus 9 is equals to 0. X minus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0. This is the second equation. Got it? So 2 equations. This is called representing the situation algebraically. This is called representing the situation algebraical. Algebraically हम लोग represent कर लिया है ये situation. And graphically represent करना is nothing but let us write these 2 equations. Let us write these 2 equations. Now, how do we write the steps? Steps कैसे लिखना है? If you want, you can write like this here. Here you can after age. After age is daughter age. Present x years, y years. 7 years ago. X minus 7, y minus 7. So as per the problem. इधर लिखो as per the problem.
Sir.
Problem is yes. क्या बेटा?
सर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा तो वो
Blur हो रहा है?
आपने नहीं सर वो क्वेश्चन लिखा है ना आपने
हाँ.
क्वेश्चन है ना इसलिए दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
वो पूरा लाइटिंग की वजह से दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है.
हाँ सर
क्वेश्चन के वजह से और लाइटिंग के वजह से.
सर क्वेश्चन के वजह से.
वो बैकग्राउंड में क्वेश्चन है सर, और इधर आप बोर्ड में लिख रहे हो ना.
क्या बेटा?
बैकग्राउंड में क्वेश्चन है ना सर, और यहाँ बोर्ड में लिख रहे हो ना, तो इसकी वजह से वो दिख नहीं रहा मतलब.
हो ऑलरेडी कुछ लिखा है और उसके ऊपर मैं लिख रहा हूँ तो नहीं दिख रहा है.
हाँ सर. हाँ.
ओके. लेट अस डू वन थिंग. हो ओके वी विल क्वेश्चन तो दिखाई दिया है ना आपको?
हाँ
क्वेश्चन तो समझ में है ना? ओके.
हाँ सर.
हाँ तो मैं ऑफ कर रहा हूँ ये इसको. अब दिखाई दे रहे हैं ना? ओके ना?
यस सर.
Okay. So now here after age and his daughter age. So problem के as per the problem, these situations we got it. 2 equations. And these 2 equations we need to represent. हम लोग represent करना है algebraically हो गया है and graphically represent करना है. So how do we represent graphically? Already you have learned in 9th class. You have learned in 9th class. 9th class में सीख लिया है. So how do we represent it in a graphically? Let us see here. This equation you have to write in a graph. How do we write this equation in a graph? First you need to find out the minimum 2 coordinates which satisfies this equation. So two coordinates which satisfies the equation you need to find out. But better you find 3. Because suppose if you made a small mistake in the finding the x and y coordinates of which satisfies this equation, a mistake, then you are going to get another line. But here in this situation, suppose 3 if you are finding, you will not get the 3 points collinear, means like a one straight line you will not get. So then you can find out somewhere you did a mistake. I'll tell you the one example to you. So why minimum 3 is actually with the two coordinates you can draw the line. 2 coordinates is enough to us to draw the line. But better you take the 3 coordinates, because what is the reason I will tell you here. X minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. X minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. So now here the coordinates which satisfies the x and y you need to find out. X is equals to 0 ले लो. So 0 minus 7y plus 42. You have to consider x. How many solutions will be there for this equation? How many solutions? Infinite. So in the infinite. Yes, very good. In the infinite points, we are finding the only 3 points we need to find out. To draw the line draw करने के लिए. So इसको 7y is equals to 42 आ जाएगा, y is equals to 6 आ जाएगा. So ये 6 हो गया. And you take the x is equals to some other number 7 then. Sir, why do you take the 7 only? Why don't you take the 1? Can we take the 1? You may get it out. Can we take the 1? 1 ले सकते हैं इधर. So 1 you can take, but if you take the 1, y value you will get in fractions. So fractions representing on a graph little bit difficult. And if you see here, as we are having the this is 7 multiple, here 7 hai, here it also if it is 7 multiple, then it is an easy task to you to do. So if you take the x is equals to 7, what do you get? 7 and 7 minus 7y plus 42 is equals to 0. 7y is equals to 49, y is equals to 7. Again, y also will be the 7. If you take the 14, y you will get 8. Like this, any. Sir, is it necessary to us to take the only these 3 points? No, you can take your own points. Any consideration. Sir, if I take x equal to 0, you got it. Can I take the y equal to 0? Okay, you can take. But y equal to 0, if you take x equal to 42, you will get. Minus 42, you will get.
Sir, you are not audible
सर कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
or not visible.
Sir, you are not visible.
Visible.
Yes, sir.
Board is visible.
Yes,
सर
sir.
it is blur.
Sir, बहुत ब्लर है.
सिग्नल प्रॉब्लम. अभी हो गया ब्लर एकदम.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
अभी दिखाई नहीं दे रहे.
सर अभी
अभी
ठीक
दे
है.
रहा है सर.
अभी क्लियर है.
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Sometimes due to the signal problem, sometimes it may happen. Okay. So now plot these points and plot these points on a graph. So for this, you need a graph and join them. So graph में represent करना है, join करना है. Okay. So in the same way, for the second equation, x minus 3y minus 6 is equals to 0 is the second equation. This is first one, this is second. So two means pair of linear equations means two equations. Okay. So now here this equation points we need to find out. X here, y here. Okay. So now here what do you get here? X equal to 0 if I take, y equal to minus 2 हो जाएगा. Directly I am writing. इधर 0 सब्स्टिट्यूट करो, ये वाला पार्ट में नहीं कर रहा हूँ, रफ में कर सकते हैं. You can. So these points will satisfy this equation. So x equal to 0 if I take, y equal to minus 2. If y equal to 0 if I take, x equal to 6 आ जाएगा. 6 comma 0. Another one point you take, x equal to you take 3. Here 3. 3 minus 6 minus 3. So ये this y value was yes. What?
सर 42 राइट हैंड साइड में जाके तो साइन चेंज हो जाएगा ना.
क्या क्या?
सर ऊपर जो आपने इक्वेशन सॉल्व नहीं किया,
हाँ.
यहाँ 42 इस साइड जाएगा तो साइन चेंज नहीं होगा क्या सर?
नहीं देखो ये -7y इधर -7y प्लस 42 7y को उधर भेज दो तो क्या होगा 42 इक्वल टू 7y होगा ना तो 7y इक्वल टू 42 डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं ना ओके हेलो
हाँ सर
सही है बेटा वो -7y प्लस 42 इक्वल टू 0 अब 42 को उधर भेज दिया ठीक है तो इधर क्या होगा लेफ्ट साइड में -7y होगा ना -7y इज इक्वल टू -42 होगा माइनस होगा तो ये माइनस माइनस कैंसिल होगा 7y इक्वल टू 42 होगा आई रोट डायरेक्टली सिंपल थिंग ना दिस थिंग आई लर्न फ्रॉम द 7th क्लास onwards you learn linear equation
हाँ सर
that you need to write okay like this these 3 points x equal to 3 if you take y equal to 1 आ जाएगा 3 no y equal to 1 नहीं -1 you will get -1 x equal to 3 3 substitute करो here 3 minus 3y minus 3 minus 3y is 3 minus 6 minus 3 is equals to 0 so if you send this one here y equal to -1 y equal to -1 so now here these points you need to plot on a graph a points plot graph में plot करना है और solution find out करने के लिए where they are intersecting you need to see so graphical representation if you see that graph में ले लिया तो so in your paper means graph paper here you take the points depending upon these points here 14 तक है आपको 14 8 है सर ये बड़ा नंबर हो रहे हैं मेरा ग्राफ में सफिशिएंट नहीं है इसका छोड़ना कर लो नहीं है तो ग्राफ में 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 2 यूनिट्स ले लो here 2 4 6 8 10 12 14 here भी 2 ले लो 2 4 6 8 10 negative points we are not taking more here -2 है here also -2 है so what are the points you are having here first one 0, 6 where 0, 6 will lie 0, 6 किधर रहता है
Sir, y axis.
y axis because x coordinate 0 then it lies on a y axis this is y axis in this
Sir, you are not
Sir, you are
visible.
not able.
अरे आ गया अभी यू आर नॉट विजिबल हाँ
Sir, you are not visible. Sir, you are not visible.
क्या हुआ? What happened?
अभी दिख रहा है? Is it visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, not visible.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Not visible, sir.
हेलो, क्या हुआ?
कुछ नहीं.
क्या हुआ?
Is it visible?
No, sir.
No, sir.
No, sir.
Visible or invisible?
Sir, you are not visible.
It is visible.
Sir, you are not
Is the
visible.
board is visible?
No, sir.
Board is also not visible. Hmm. Okay. Can you? Is it audible to you? सुनाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir.
सर कट कट के आ रहा है आवाज.
Sir, कट कट के आ रहा है.
क्लियर नहीं आ रहा.
और
हाँ सर कट कट के आ रहा है.
So now
Sir,
it's
you are not.
so now it's visible.
So you are not audible.
Okay. Now audible. Now audible, na?
Yes, sir.
Visible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll explain to you with, I will not take the more time. Just I'll explain to you faster, little bit faster. ये है 0, 6 है 7, 7 we need to plot and another point is 14, 8. तो x axis में 14 लेना है. So x axis 14 and y axis 8. So if you take like this, these three will be a straight line. Using the scale you need to join. Using the scale you need to join. Suppose if you are joining, so here we have taken the points approximately, that's why we got it like this. Okay. As we have taken it approximately, then we got it like this. So now here, if you see that this is a straight line. Suppose if you made a small mistake here, 2 points only you are taking. Instead of the 7, 7, you in the calculation you did 7, 8. And only 2 points you have taken. Then the line will go to somewhere else. Means original line we will not get it. So you have to write this is the equation of a line. Here you need to write either here or here you have to write. Here you can write x minus 7y plus 42 is equal to 0 is the line. Next one is 0, minus 2. X axis में 0, y axis में minus 2. So this
Minus
is the
2.
point. 6, 0 is this one. And 3, minus 1. 3, minus 1 will be here. See, these 3 you got it in a straight line. Approximately we have taken here. So we got in a straight line. And this straight line you need to write it as a x minus 3y minus 6 is equal to 0. So this is the way to represent the given situation algebraically and geometrically. Geometrically is nothing but graphically. Graphical representation. This is called the graphical representation. And the solution, if you want to find out, the solution, you need to extend these lines till where they will meet. तो किधर सर ये मेरा बुक में भी नहीं आ रहा है, बुक से बाहर जा रहा है बोल के, मीन्स यू मे आस्क सर इफ वी आर टेकिंग ड्राइंग द लाइन, so see that it is going across, so it is crossing the board, but then you can see that. So whenever you take this one, okay, so these lines, sir, how do we find out the solution in that case? You take the scale little bit bigger scale. X में 10 points you take, 10 points here, 10 points you take. Then afterwards 10 points, 20 points. Whenever you take that, the lines will come here, and in your graph itself they will intersect. Okay, in your graph itself they will intersect. So the intersecting point, whatever you are getting, that point will be the solution after that. Okay, detailedly in the next class we will discuss, because we crossed the time limit. Okay. Thank you, beta. One by one, please leave the class. सुनाई दिया?
थैंक यू सर।